No more candy!
Two zombies were dancing with the candies. One got the burgers and ate them all the way. The chef called the witch, and the witch then said,
Where are the burgers?
one zombie was walking with the cake. He threw the cake and all began to play. The chef called the witch, and the witch then said,
Don't eat the cake!
all the zombies ate up all the food. What they really did was not at all good. The chef called the witch, and the chef then said,
We ate all the food and it was really yummy.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Vampire, vampire, come out of the coffin, come out of the coffin. Don't catch fire, don't catch fire. Are you crying? Are you crying? Angry monster, angry monster. Here's a gooey candy, here's a gooey candy. Now you can burp, now you can burp. Are you laughing? Are you laughing? Scary witch. The potion is brewing, the potion is brewing in the cauldron, in the cauldron. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Spooky zombie, spooky zombie. The fire's in the oven, the fire's in the oven. Ready to eat, ready to eat. Are you booing? Are you booing? Haunted coast. Have a happy Halloween. Have a happy Halloween. Boo to you. Boo to you. Happy Halloween.
Huh? Eh.
Five skeletons were riding on a bus. One fell off and bumped his head. So the driver called the witch, and the witch then said,
No more skeletons riding on a bus!
riding on a bus, riding on a bus. Four skeletons were riding on a. One fell off and broke the wheel. So the driver called the zombie, and the zombie
skeletons from breaking the bus.
Riding on a bus. Two skeletons were riding on a bus. One fell off and broke the seat. So the driver called the coast, and the coast then said,
No more riding.
One skeleton was riding on a bus. He fell off and broke the bus. So the driver called the witch, and the witch then said,
Fix the bus! Fix the bus!
They fixed the bus! All skeletons then fixed the bus, ready to ride it without a fuss. So the driver called the skeletons, and then they said,
Come on, let's ride this bus tonight.
Riding on a bus. Riding on a bus. Five funny skeletons jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. So Zombie called the witch, and then she said, Stop the funny skeletons from jumping on the bed. Four funny skeletons dancing on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. So the zombie called the witch, and then she said, Stop the funny skeletons from dancing on the bed. Three funny skeletons hopping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. So the zombie called the witch, and then she said, Stop the funny skeletons from hopping on the bed. Two funny skeletons sliding on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. So the zombie called the witch, and then she said, Stop the funny skeletons from sliding on the bed. One funny skeleton sleeping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. So the zombie called the witch,